Hello Spider Peeps. Well, this is a Eufy smart light bulb, which is no longer smart. It's very heavy. I've used it as a normal light bulb for quite a while and it stopped working. So I don't know whether I can get this to work now, but if I plug it into this hideously dangerous adapter and let's plug it in, I can't really see anything happening with it. This adapter's horrible. I think you get live between that and there. Look, they're just a bit of cardboard. I think this is a horrible thing, but yeah, let's turn the lights off. Can we see it doing anything? I think this is the switch. Is that on or off? Well, it's not doing anything, is it? Doing anything at all? No. Okay, unplug that because this is the only adapter that I've got that I've just got a separate plug for. But yeah, see when you put that in, it's, yeah, there's something dodgy about this. But anyway, maybe I need to get a better socket and follow Big Clive's example of how to do it properly. But anyway, so it stopped working, and when it was in situ it was just giving a little white glow but not coming on properly. And if you just turned it on and turned it off, it would just behave like a normal light bulb, although you turned it on and it took a second or so before it actually booted and lit up. But I wanted to see what was in it. I don't know if you can see those. Can you see those black splatter marks? So I don't know whether I'm going to need a spudger on the a spudger on this and to get it out. This stinks. Oh goodness me, I think there's, why is the water in there? Oh dear me, this smells bad. Okay, so I'm glad, oh, this smells awful. Grief. So was that water out of it? Oh, so yeah, look, there's a big, it's obviously been in the ceiling, so I hope water hasn't dripped onto it. I don't know how it could have got to it. There's no water above this unit, but see, there's a big splat of green in there. I just wanted to see whether it's got like a Wi-Fi thing in it or a Bluetooth thing. But yeah, something's gone wrong there. There's a massive, great big trace mark. Let's try and open this. Boy, does it smell bad. So yeah, see, this is a 240 volts, 800 lumen, 27k, quite a nice white E27 bulb, and I've got it plugged into a adapter to convert it to bayonet when it was actually in the house. Let's get into this. Could I use this very, very small screwdriver that I just happen to have here? I don't know whether I can get the torque on this. I can. That doesn't, that's just spinning. It's sort of coming out. I'm wondering whether I'm going to have to desolder that. Or there's some kind of plug. Oh, there you go. I'm not going to have to desolder it. It just came off. All right, so I'm not going to be able to fix this, but look, there's this metal sheet underneath. Oh no, the whole thing is potted. Right, I'm not going to be able to get into this, but where has that goop come from? I can just see the top of a capacitor down there. I wonder if I can get into that. That'll be why it's so heavy. I thought it was heavy because there was a massive, great big heat sink in it maybe, but definitely I can see some potting material. And I think there's a capacitor. I want to see whether that capacitor's let off. But it's interesting as where that came from. And it looks like there's some liquid there as well, yeah. I think this is capacitor juice. Right, let's get a bigger screwdriver. Ew. Okay. Yeah, completely potted, do you see? Or is that potted with silicone? Actually, that looks... Ew, yeah, it's just this drip silicone in it. Ah, it's a pity I can't see this, but yeah, look. So the that capacitor is bulged. I reckon that capacitor has blown, vented it all over. This looks like a Wi-Fi module. Maybe that's an ESP thing, which Eufy use. I don't know whether I can pull this out. Yeah, this is the sort of thing I want to send to Big Clive. But yeah, there's no way I'm going to get that out of there. But that's what's happened. It looks like that capacitor is bulging. That has given up the ghost. It's let out its magic smoke, or in this case, its magic capacitor juice. Ugh. Sprayed it all over the Wi-Fi module and out the top. Oh, look, that's even wet underneath there. Yeah, ew, out the top of that. Yeah. Okay, Spider Peeps, that's going to be the end of this video. I'm going to throw this away because this electrolyte might be horrible. But yeah, okay, hope you found this marginally interesting. I don't know what it was about, but yeah, bye.